This is his fucking daily hunt. Sit down. Must be chasing one now.
There he is up over there. Oh, he come up, he hasn't caught one yet.
Hasn't got one. Must have eluded him, that one. There he goes again. That's what he do, he'll catch a fish and then just come up and take over that wee perch again.
Class.
Just
I hope I get him here.
He should definitely get one here. Good chase that. Yeah, they can stay underwater for a wee bit too.
Oh, he is way over there now. Slim pickings today.
Looking for them now, they're there. Unless he's knocking him when he's down there, just something.
In one.
Okay.
Oh, he's up over there.
Where do you come from? Missed him.
Over there. He's just way down again. See the ripple?
Oh, yeah. Right. He must be looking breakfast. No. Big horns away.
He's up in front of that swan now.
It's good how they get on me, so they don't like fight.
Yeah.
Isn't it like they must have an understanding like of each other?
Yeah, she's just looking at him.
So mad.
I want to see him catch a fish here. Be class.
Yeah, it's a lovely thing to see, now it is. And as soon as he gets it, he comes up there and you see it bouncing out of his mouth like, and he's going like that there. And he hops up on that perch there and then it's, yeah. You get a few more of these here, like, and then the fish is away.
Oh, he's up again, behind the swans there.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
They're class wee things.
Wee ducks, them ones.
They're class looking. Where are you? Where'd you go?
He's up again.
Oh yeah.
No, he's not being too successful unless he's taking them as he's down there, like. The small ones.
There he goes again.
Still have some lungs on him.
He's up again, still no catch.
Yep. That old sunlight look favouring the weather, like. The fish like the shadows, you know, they always look in the. They never stay out where the sun's hitting, like where it's.
Oh, right.
Where they're exposed, they sort of know that they're. When the sun hits them, that they're open pickings, you know, so they like to stay in around the shady, darker bits. Again, that's why you see all the fishermen wearing combat clothes now, so that
They don't get seen already, get you now, right?
They are, yeah.
Oh, come on.
Like, even though you may not see the fish can has a plain view of you, you know what I mean? He's sitting there in front of you watching your silhouette, and that's why they try to break it up and all, like crouch down and whatnot to do. Yeah.
Oh, there he's up. No.
He wants his perch back, but yes, he is.
Ah, look, I know the crack. Look at that.
That's his.
That's my perch.
Have that back any time. Morning, bro. We can go past the trucks. What do you know? That's right, Alright. Hey, you know,
Oh, that's Cracker.
Yes, there.
Oh, he's taking a wee break now.
Alright.
He's all cut. He's all cut. He looks so young. Aw, wee gorge. Aren't you, wee gorge? We are super sleuths and we are going on an adventure to find a black furry thing. We shall sneak out here and see. That's where he was. I see him. I see a big black furry thing. What's he gonna do? Let him see. Let him go. See what he's gonna do. He's gonna go in. He's gonna go in. He's gonna go in. Hiya, Tara. You coming out to see what's going on? Come on. Come on. We got him. We got him. We got him. Let me see. We found the treasure. We found the treasure. Meow. Let me see. Are we cat that does not meow? Ah, no. Are we pussy cat that does not meow? Aww, come on. Big kisses. Oh, no. You are meant to be cuddling. You are meant to be cuddling someone. Come here. Come here. Come here. How about you bite me for? Are you trying to bite me? Are you trying to bite me? You have to get your cuddles. You have to get your cuddles. With your wee daddy. With your wee daddy. Ah, big licky licks. Don't worry, Tara. Excuse me. I'm choking on my cereal. Aye, you're a good girl. And you're a good wee boy. I think he wants away, Owen. I think he wants to run about. Does he? Right, Owen, because I have to go and get ready because we have to leave in time this morning because Rachel has a big netball tournament.
Why does she have a netball tournament? Because she
Look
loves the
at
tournament.
Ooh, he's got spooky eyes now, but look, I have to do that to see his little paws. But, if he looks on, see since the light's on, he looks straight at the camera, he gets, the big evil cat eyes. It's funny. Ah! Owen! You're sitting with ghost cat. Owen, me ghost cat's gonna get you. Me. Do you want to see ghost cat? Let's see Owen. So let's see if we can hear a little purr. We can't forget about you, Tara. I have not left you out. No, I haven't. Don't you belly rubs? Your wee belly rubs. Yes, wee belly rubs for Tara. You're just gorgeous, aren't you? Aren't you just gorgeous? High five. There we are. Wee belly rubs for Tara. Wee belly rubs. There we are. Mwah. Good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Beautiful girl. You're my wee beauty. Where you going? Where you going? Has he no more purrs?
No.
Nope. Good girl.
He's gonna fall, Daddy, save him.
Oh, you flew away. You just ruined my nature video. Tara, you ruined our nature video. Hello. No, Tara, you're not getting in there. It's okay, Ducky Duck. We'll not let Tara near you. I just wanted to see you because you're a lovely colour. There we are. Are you away? I think you're far from home. I think he's lost. That's a good guard.
Can't find it.
Seriously, Tara, you lost it. We're running back with it.
Tara? Just one.
Tara, power.
Drop it.
Drop the stick. Good girl. Ta-ta. There. You ready?
Trying to into the same place.
Come on, bring it back. Good girl. There's a good girl. Yes, you are. There's a good girl. A good girl.
They got go after the sticks.
Yeah.
No, mate, no. Haven't you? Say it's a good idea, like, but it's just badly mismanaged.
Yeah.
You know, it's a good size. It's just a pity of the way it's fucking let it go neglected the way it is.
Yeah. No, that's okay.
Crazy. I met them here to put one in here, but it's point blank refusing, like.
Yeah.
You know, so fuck me, I'll even build it myself.
Okay. I know even that bit over there, but it's kind of a waste right now.
Oh, you could turn something, you could. Oh, plenty of wee bits up top or two too. Yeah.
You're just gorgeous, aren't you? Ugh. Are you serious? He actually. Oh, let me right this way. What's going on here? What's going on? Yes, yeah.
Tony?
Yep. Oh my goodness. No, you want to stay over there so I can see you? Huh? There we are. Alright, I'll get you back home. Turn around so we can see you. There's bright light out here, we'll see it better if we turn around. There we are. Oh my. Now we'll get you home. Very grey. That's the colour of their skin underneath. Yeah.
She nibbles at the stitches too much, but there is like 2 layers there, so even if
Yeah.
one comes out, should be alright. Okay, so plenty of toilet rolls, plenty of toys, I mean, she's plenty of stuff along the way, but just a bit of extra distraction just to help
Yeah.
the band keep her warm tonight, but apart from that, treat her as normal.
Brilliant, thank you very much.
That's great, no problem. Okay, if you haven't heard from me in about 2 weeks,
Just phone
well,
out.
she's going to be in for stitches out anyway, so with that,
Yeah, so do you contact us for this or we just phone down?
well, if you make an appointment in
About 2 weeks? Yeah, 10 days.
Just for stitches
Yeah.
out. If I'm not paid, one of the nurses knows there's no charge for the stitches out.
Right.
But that's, hopefully by that stage we'll have the histology or something.
Yeah, brilliant.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you. There we are. You ready to go home now? Let me see if we can get that. Oh my. Oh. Let me see if we can get the wee video so you can see the progress. Ay, ay, nalala ko kang pugat that. Can you see it up close? There we are. Right, we'll bring you home.